In a world of fancy meat thermometers, this basic one that is not expensive does everything that you needed to do. I'm going to show you how it works. It's super easy. Basically, you just open it up and it automatically turns on, and you can have this probe right in your thing. You can also use it if you want to have something in the oven or on the grill or whatever. You have this probe here, and all we need to do, same thing. If we just plug it in, it automatically turns on, and then everything works the same way. So all we need to do is we can just single tap this. This turns the light on, the display light on and off. And then if we long hold it, it goes between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Super simple. And then if we single tap this, it will just fix that. Like if it sets a temperature and we don't want to forget it, if we just hit that, it'll hold it. And then even if you heat something up, the temperature's not going to change. And then if you press and hold this button, it's going to calibrate it. The last thing you can do is you can set it to an alarm, but it's not a time alarm, it's a temperature alarm. So like, let's say I want it, when it reaches 150 degrees, I want it to go off. I can just hit the alarm set button. This starts to blink, and then with my other two buttons, I can just set it to the temperature that I want, and then hit the alarm set button, and the alarm will go off when it reaches that temperature. All of this, super simple, has a super simple battery that we change right here. And that's it. If you're interested in this thermometer, I'll put a link below.